Hello, good day to all of you guys. My name is Patrick Bongbonga, and I'm gonna explain further for this project, which is programming 2. All right. First, my professor um, sent some rubrics, and which contains we need to design a simple Java Swing application that will demonstrate a simple pizza ordering system based on these following requirements. All right. First, we need to follow, we need to strictly follow this declaration for variable. All right, which is the RDO Hawaiian, RDO small for size, CHK pepper for add-ons, and also the summary and BTN create order for button. All right. Um, and the each price of also for this flavor for this pizza flavors we need to follow this. This is very important as well. And the add-ons also. All right, let's proceed to our program that I create earlier. Mhm. First, I'm gonna put some radio button here for select flavor and select size checkbox for select add-ons button for create order. First, for Hawaiian, um, I need to use some um, add event handler, which is item for item state change. Since I already create this before, um, we just click it. All right, here we go. The for radio button for Hawaiian, in order to select some radio button, we need to declare some private here, which is uh, private button group for BTN group size new button group. For this we need to set as private, and also we need to import some component for button group here we go. All right, each flavor I already create for item state change. Yes, ham and cheese and pepperoni. Here we go. In order to see the price of this of each flavor by its sizes, it depends to the sizes. All right. And let's proceed to the create order. Okay. For this create order, first I'm gonna declare some string data type, which is declared size for concatenate as null. Alright. Upon selecting the radio button for small for the sizes of pizza, the size of mm, the size of RDO small, the size is equal to RDO small that get text if the if the RDO small is selected. All right, and so on. Okay. Upon clicking the create order, it displays also the flavor of pizza. All right. The pizza flavor, which is I already discussed it earlier for one by one. For item state change. Okay. The second is pizza size for this. Okay, once we select some, let's say for example, once we create some uh, l- RDO large for the last one, it displays here as large. All right, there we have it. For the add-ons, for these add-ons, I already create some method with regards on add-ons. Let's check here. There we go. Alright, for add-ons, I declare some data type which is double, and I declared as add-on price equals to 0. And I'm gonna use some if statement for this. Since it's method, um, I'm gonna create some if statement for first checkbox, which is chk pepper check if checkbox for pepper is selected, the price it should be 5 5 pesos for add-ons for this. And the onions, if the second checkbox is selected, it declared as 10 pesos for this, and so on and so forth. Okay, upon creating this method, we need to use some return in order to return the add-ons that you selected. Okay, the next is total price. All right, in order to display the total price, I use some another method for to get the price. Okay, one moment here. Let's see. There we have it. All right. Let's say for example, um, I already create some data type for double, which is I declared as price equal to 0 if the radio button small size is selected. It will be parsed for price, and it displays on I mean it get for it get from LBL small price for this if the radio small is selected, and if the radio medium is selected, um the price will store here on radio button, and the label for medium price is get text, and for the last is the large, and as same as earlier. And the most important thing is we need to return the price in order to it depends to the size that you selected. This is very important. Okay. Mhm. All right. Let's I'll go ahead and try to run this program. Just click here. All right. For Hawaiian, if Hawaiian is selected, the the price of each size it should be 90 for small, 110 for medium, and 130 for large. All right, 90 for small, medium 110, 130. 90, 110, 130. There we go. For the next is for the ham and cheese. If I'm gonna select this ham and cheese, the small size would be 110, 130, 150, 110, 130, 150. There we go. All right, for the pepperoni, for the flavor of pepperoni, um, each size is should be 130, 150, 170 for the large, 130, 150, and 170 for the large, and there we have it. Okay. Let's say for example, I'm gonna order some Hawaiian Hawaiian, and say for example from medium it should be 110, and once I click some add-ons, let's say for example I want some extra cheese for this. Yes, extra cheese, which is 25. Since I select a medium size for Hawaiian, it should be a 130 plus 25. Okay, it should be Oh yeah, it should be 155 for a total amount of large size plus extra cheese. Let's say, for example, it displays 155 Hawaiian, large size, extra cheese. There we have it. Alright, total price is 155. Okay. Let's try it for another example. Alright, let's say for example pepperoni and large, this pepper, black olives, and extra cheese. Alright, we're gonna try this example as shown here in these rubrics. Pepperoni, large size, extra cheese, black olives, pepper. Alright, it's the same. It's the same thing that I input here. Alright, in order to prove that my program is working, um, it must be a same output for these rubrics and to my program as well. All right, it's the total price should be 215 pesos. All right, let's generate this one. 215 pesos. There we have it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video and yep, God bless you all.